Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Virtue Perfect Ending Split End Serum is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling the persistent problem of split ends, a common hair woe that can leave your locks looking dull, frizzy, and damaged, no matter how carefully you style them. This innovative serum promises to not only mend existing split ends but also to prevent future breakage, offering a revitalizing treatment that aims to restore your hair's natural health and shine, making it a must-have for achieving that salon-perfect look right at home. Number 5. Moroccanoil Treatment Hair Oil. Discover the transformative power of our signature hair oil. It's designed to deeply nourish and revitalize your locks, leaving them incredibly soft and manageable. Infused with nourishing argan oil, this treatment works wonders to detangle and smooth your hair. Experience a noticeable difference in texture and shine from the very first use. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to luminous shine. This versatile oil helps to tame flyaways and enhance your hair's natural brilliance, making it look healthier than ever. Protect your hair from environmental stressors and heat damage. Its rich formula helps to strengthen strands, reducing breakage and promoting overall hair health. Achieve salon-worthy results with ease. Simply apply a small amount to damp or dry hair for an instant boost of hydration and a beautiful, polished finish. What we like. This treatment is infused with argan oil for incredible shine and manageability. It effectively detangles knots and smooths frizz. If you're looking for a versatile oil that enhances shine and makes hair easier to comb, this is a great choice. What people say. The oil has argan oil, which helps moisturize the hair and adds shine without making it look greasy. From the very first application, I noticed my hair felt softer and had a beautiful shine, without looking greasy. It adds shine, smooths my hair, and never leaves it greasy or heavy. Number 4. BioSilk Silk Therapy Original Leave-In Hair Treatment. Discover the transformative power of BioSilk Silk Therapy Original. This unique formula is designed to reconstruct and revitalize your hair from within. Experience a brilliant, healthy shine that turns heads. It enhances your hair's natural luster, making it look and feel its best. Say goodbye to frizz and split ends. This treatment leaves your hair incredibly smooth, manageable, and free from breakage. Our formula is free from sulfates, parabens, and is never tested on animals. It's a choice you can feel good about for your hair and the planet. Enjoy the benefits of a reconstructing leave-in treatment that works continuously. It provides lasting repair and protection for all hair types. Get the full 12-ounce size of this essential hair treatment. It's the perfect amount to keep your hair looking and feeling its absolute best. What we like. Infused with silk proteins, this treatment reconstructs and repairs hair. It provides incredible shine and leaves hair feeling silky smooth. If you have damaged hair and want to restore its health and add brilliant shine, this is the one for you. What people say. This makes my hair soft and shiny without looking greasy. It leaves my hair incredibly soft, shiny, and frizz-free without feeling heavy or greasy. It really helps tame frizz and makes my ends look healthier, especially when I'm trying to prevent split ends. Number 3. Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. Experience the transformative power of our signature shampoo. It gently cleanses while deeply nourishing your hair. This luxurious formula works to repair and restore your hair's natural vitality. Say goodbye to damage and hello to healthy, vibrant locks. Enriched with our exclusive Oribe Signature Complex, it protects against environmental stressors and oxidative stress. Whether your hair is color-treated, damaged, or simply in need of a boost, this shampoo is perfect for you. Achieve salon-worthy results from the comfort of your home. Indulge in the ultimate hair care experience. What we like. This shampoo is designed to strengthen and restore hair's moisture balance. Its luxurious, sulfate-free formula cleanses gently while repairing damage. If you're seeking to revitalize weakened, dry hair and want a premium, restorative cleanse, consider this option. What people say. My head is less itchy, my scalp feels clean, not squeaky clean either, but healthy clean. The conditioner is nice, not too heavy and too watery. It doesn't make my hair silky soft like others' claims, but the shine and softness when it's dry, now that's what counts. It leaves my hair clean, shiny, and never weighed down, I always get compliments on my hair and swear by this brand. Number 2. Arvazallia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling dry or damaged? Discover a deep conditioning treatment designed to bring life back to your locks. Infused with the natural goodness of argan oil, this mask works to deeply nourish and restore your hair's health. Experience intense hydration that transforms brittle strands into soft, manageable hair. It's the perfect solution for dryness. This powerful formula helps repair damage from styling, heat, and environmental factors. Restore your hair's natural strength and shine. Whether your hair is naturally dry or has become damaged over time, this treatment is formulated to provide the care it needs. Simply apply this rich mask after shampooing, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse. Enjoy visibly healthier hair. What we like. This mask offers deep conditioning with the power of argan oil to repair dry and damaged hair. It intensely hydrates and revitalizes strands, leaving them soft and manageable. If your hair is severely dry or damaged and needs a potent boost of moisture and repair, this mask is an excellent solution. What people say. The oil I use daily on the ends of my hair only, which gave a nice immediate improvement in appearance. It leaves my hair feeling so soft, hydrated and luscious. After using it once or twice a week for several weeks, hair feels noticeably softer and easier to detangle, especially at the ends. Number 1. Virtue Smooth Conditioner. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to beautifully defined curls. Our conditioner is designed to smooth and manage even the most unruly hair. Experience gentle yet effective cleansing without harsh sulfates. This formula is kind to your hair and scalp, promoting healthier growth. Whether your hair is fine, thick, straight, or wavy, this conditioner is perfect for you. It provides nourishment and hydration for every strand. Keep your vibrant hair color looking fresh and brilliant. Our conditioner protects your color from fading, extending its longevity. Achieve the smooth, silky hair you've always dreamed of. It leaves your hair feeling soft, manageable, and looking its best. Discover the secret to effortlessly smooth and healthy-looking hair. It's the perfect addition to your daily hair care routine. What we like. This conditioner is specifically formulated for frizz control, especially for curly hair types. It smooths and softens strands, enhancing natural texture. If you struggle with frizz and have curly or wavy hair that needs definition and smoothness, this conditioner is tailored for your needs. What people say. Very little is needed. The effect is exactly as expected and it smooths the hair beautifully. I have been using this conditioner for over a year and a half with the smooth shampoo. The Alpha Keratin 60Ku really seems to have an effect on my hair. I think it has gotten less frizzy, and my natural color seems deeper in a good way. This product, not completely rinsed out, just at the first squeaky feel, gives me smooth body that lasts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.